Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. John Silva. Today we talked about how to biohack the brain. And not only when you biohack your brain, you're also helping your body heal. You want to learn more about it? Go to whenyouneedafriend.com. Check out today's conversation with Dr. John Silva. And know that if you want a free consult, a 45-minute consult, just email me at lily@whenyouneedafriend.com or text me at 407-373-5959. Or you can get a free copy of the Rewiring the Brain with Neurofeedback 2.0 for free. Just text me again and let me know that you want to learn and grow together. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.